This is it. Can you get mommy some?
Yeah, I was gonna say, I think mommy needs some too. You did such a good job in the kitchen today.
Thank you.
Oh, you're used to helping your mama. You're welcome. Thank you. Hey, what colors do you see on your plates, Mommy?
There-
Colors are on your
No, what colors do you see?
What are these? What color do you think that is? Kind of light or yellow light? And then you have the little white ones? Okay, what do you think they're going to taste like? You think they're going to taste like strawberry? Well, maybe. Let's find out. I just tried a bite, Zenaria, and you did a great job. It is so yummy. You're a good cook. So what do you think? Do you like helping Mama in the kitchen? Yeah, pretty good. You know, I used to help my mom in the kitchen for years and years. And now my kiddos help me. Nice work. All right. Good job, Zenaria.
That's really good.